Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 21st question in exercise 4.2. They've given two determinants and they've said both the determinants are equal and they're equal to this particular value 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So we will first take the first determinant, equate or find the value of this to be equal to this. Then we'll take up the second determinant and equates its value to this particular one. So let's start with the first determinant. If you say the first determinant, every element in the first row has a product as A. And in the second row, everything has B and similarly C. So I'm going to take A, B, C outside so that the first term will become A plus 1 by A. The second term will simply become B and this will become C. In the second row, this will be A, this is B plus 1 by B and this will be C. And here it will be A, B and C plus 1 by C. Now that we have taken this outside, please understand every row we have divided by 1 by A, 1 by B or 1 by C. So that is what we have taken as common. Now what we are going to do is make the transformation. Column 1 is equal to A into column 1. Column 2 is going to be equal to B into column 2. Column 3 is going to be equal to C into column 3. So everywhere the ABC is actually going back inside. So now if you multiply the column 1 by A, what you're going to get is A squared plus 1. This will become A squared and this will become A squared. Now the column B has to be multiplied by B. So this will be B squared. This will be B squared plus 1. This will be B squared. And for the column C, this will become C squared, 1 plus C squared. Now you see, actually you got back this particular determinant right now. So if you directly prove the value to be here, then we will be done with the proof. Now let's make the next transformation. C1 is going to be equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So all the column values are going to add here. So this will become 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Similarly, for all elements in this particular column, it will match the same value. So the last column also, the last row in this column also is done. Now retain all the other elements as such. So this is B square, C square, B square plus 1 and this is C squared. This is B squared and this is 1 plus C squared. Now you can take out this particular element outside. So it is 1 plus A squared plus B squared plus C squared. Now the determinant will become 1, 1, 1, B squared, C squared, 1 plus B squared, C squared, B square 1 plus C square. Now we are going to make two transformations simultaneously. R2 is equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. Now let's make the transformation and see what happens to the value of this particular determinant. It will be equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square into the first row will remain as such. So 1 square B square C square. For the second row, it is second row minus first row. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus B square minus B square is 1. C square minus C square is 0. As for the last row, 1 minus 1 is 0. B square minus B square is 0. 1 plus C square minus C square is equal to 1. Now if you take the value of the determinant, it is simply going to be equal to 1. So this means the entire expression is now reduced to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, and that is what was the required answer and hence proved. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 22nd question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.